What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at the ChatGPT, an AI tool online, so make sure to stay until the end of the video, because in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to ask a question on this amazing platform. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So before we go to answering a topic of the video, first things first, you need to know ChatGPT has some limitations, of course, depending on its last update. If I'm not wrong, the last update basically of the informations of, let's say, history of the world is January 2021. So you can ask anything basically you want, depending on the knowledge of this tool, you are gonna get an answer. So basically, let's try with some basic questions. So let's say, who invented the car, let's say. You just go over here, send a message. So as you can see, you had the answer. So you can ask anything basically you want. You just go over here, message ChatGPT. Basically, you can ask whatever you wish for. So, who was the King of England in, let's say, 1423? Then you ask a question, and as you can see, you have an answer for it, and within a couple of more options. Of course, you can tell, give me a bigger answer, give me a longer answer. And as you can see, you have a longer answer. You can also do it for the shorter one or anything like that. So overall, guys, quite an easy way. You just type in whatever you need and whatever you need to know. So guys, overall, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.